Hi everyone and welcome back to this new tutorial video, or not a tutorial video but a quick little update video. First of all, I was really amazed by the fact that my video gets so much views and so much feedback. Really thanks for that. But yeah, the new wallet came out for the HTMLCOIN, the wallet, if I'm correct, yeah, 2.0.1. I saw in the comments of the last video that a few of you people had little problems with installing the new wallet, so I will just show you what I did. So over here we have the old HTML wallets. I just have 5 configured over here. Just leave them be, okay? I also deleted the shortcuts on my desktop. So what I did, I made a new folder, the new HTML. Just that's what I named it. And I made 7 new folders inside here. Then I just downloaded the new HTML core, the 2.0.1, sorry, and I installed them in the new HTML folders, like this, just a basic installation, like before. So what I did, after I configured all the new wallets, I went back to the old wallets and I just put all my coins in wallet 1. So I transferred them from wallet 1, from the old core, just to the new core. So now all my coins are in wallet 1 of the new HTML, or the wallet 2.0.1. After that I made a shortcut to the desktop for all of these HTML cores. So yeah, then again, if I show my icons like this, we have them over here. Then I open the properties tab, sorry, and I made this, and notepad lets me hide the icons again, like this. Okay, so then this is the thing you need to do, and I don't know what people are doing wrong, because I get comments it doesn't work, what's happening. So you put in first the thing you get here when you make a new wallet. Just Ctrl A, Ctrl C, copy that thing, paste it in here. Then you just, that's this part. Then you add a space. Then this little symbol, I don't know what it's called in English, so sorry for that. Data there, equally, and then you open the location, the file location. So again, we show the desktop things, then you go to open file location and you press here and Ctrl C again, and then you paste it behind the data there. So after that you put in a space again, this little symbol, and then listen equally 0, and that's pretty much it. And then you just go to wallet 2 or shortcut 2 and repeat this. So these are exactly the same lines, only the 1 is a 2 and the 1 is a 2. Just do this for all your wallets, all your shortcuts. And yeah, if you have, like I mentioned in the first video, 28 wallet, it takes some time. But yeah, just take a look at this. Just do this at your own PC, because this is different for everyone. I mean, you don't have the exact same folders as I have. But yeah, just make the new folder, just do everything from the beginning, and then it should be fine. That's what worked for me, and now I'm mining with 10 wallets at the moment, and it's going pretty good. So yeah, thanks for watching, and leave a comment and a like. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know if it worked for you. Let me know if you can finally mine with more than one wallet in the 2.0.1. Thanks for watching. Bye.